See, there's some different shit right here. That's when you know you productive. You know what I mean? You want to get up out that cold, make yourself a crib right in motherfucking, right outside. Look, check this out. Yeah, my man crib, you heard? What you know about this? Hold up. Check it out, though. Look at it real good. It's the igloo. Here go the door. Y'all gonna be fucked up when I show y'all this, though.
Yeah, we rent rooms, too. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we got a heater in this joint. Yeah, man, we got a seat up in this joint. Like, fuck y'all talking about? Y'all ain't built like this. We built different out here. We definitely built different out here. Y'all gonna wish y'all could do some shit like this. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't got the fucking mental capacity to do no shit like this, though. Look at this shit. This shit crazy. Fucking crib, nigga. You know what I mean? That's a smoke hut, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Yeah. And we out here, nigga. You know where the fuck we at. Pull up, nigga. Best gas in the